My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches.
Alright, that's better than nothing, but like, I'm highly disappointed in myself.
Tomorrow, we got Yeezy 350s.
Ooh, got one, size 6. Got another one, size 13. Another one. I just got another one.
Surprised by how different some of these shoes look in hand versus how they look in the picture. I am not comfortable with having as many shoes as I do right now in my small living space, so I'm just quickly getting rid of some that I'm not going to be holding onto for the long term. Looks like Culture Kings is about to release the Jordan 1 Tokyos on their website.
Oh my god, I got one! What? Holy! Dude, my first time hitting Shopify in like 10 million years, bro.
Tomorrow we got Kobe's and Union Jordans dropping. Not too long after that we got Yeezy 700 Arzareths. Let's see how many we get on the next episode. We have two very important drops today. First up, we have Kobe's. Those are going to be dropping in 20 minutes, and then a little bit later we are going to be trying to cop the Jordan 4 Unions. So let's see how we do on the Kobe's first. Hopefully we get something. These are going to be really limited though, so I'm not expecting much, but obviously we will be trying our best. Let's go. Fire hydrant. Let's go. Sweet capture. As I expected, I did not get any Kobe's. I think I just got unlucky, but whatever. That drop is over. On to the next one. Now we are gonna go for the Union Jordans. We are mainly prioritizing the black Jordan 4s, and I feel like this is gonna be a really messy drop. We just have to be as prepared as possible, and then hopefully we can get something. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Oh, okay, yep. NSP is getting selected shipping rate. Oh, go to the link in the release channel. Fuck. Yeah, just hit manual. That Union Jordan release went pretty well. Unfortunately, it wasn't like a super cookout. I got one pair and that's it, but still I'm really happy about that. The reason why I didn't go absolutely nuts when I got that first W was because there were so many times where I just celebrate like crazy There were so many times where I celebrate like crazy after hitting one pair, And then after that, I look back and think like, oh, I could have gotten way more if I just stayed composed and just focused on going for more pairs. So that's exactly what I did. I tried to get more pairs. Unfortunately, the rest of my browsers were stuck in the queue. This time I'm holding on to these unions. I remember like for the first union release, I made a huge mistake of selling those too early. These I'm gonna probably hold on to for quite a long time. Yeezy 700 V3s are dropping today. Now these shoes in particular, I feel like are one of the most beautiful Yeezys in my opinion. So I'm gonna go super duper hard on this. I'm gonna basically try to go for every single website as long as it's manageable, and I'll try to get as many pairs as possible. Hopefully I get my size. If I don't, not a big deal, but let's try our best and go for these shoes. Good with my captures, bro. Oh my god, I got one. Oh, my captures are broken. I should have gotten more. Oh, there's another one. Let's go. Getting shipping rates. Come on, bro. Move. Holy fuck, that's a lot of stock. I should have gotten more. All good, dude. I hit 2 so far. Really happy about that. Holy. Oh my god, I got one. Yes. Arzareth is going crazy, bro. Oh, yes, dude. I'm fucking destroying. It just keeps coming in. This is nuts. Payment declines on privacy cards. That's surprising. Dude. Okay, we should be getting captures. Processing. Let's go, got one. So that drop went really well. The thing that really ended up working out for me was Polaris paired up with Surge ISPs and Wrath paired up with some Butter private data sensors. Also, we can't forget about Shopify, which went really smoothly. Leaf ISPs absolutely killed it. And on top of all of that, I did get my personal size 8.5. I don't know how they're going to fit, and I don't even know if I'm going to wear it as a personal, but on the chance that I do have an itch to really just want to keep it for myself, then I will at least have that option. Anyways, here is an update on some of the sales that I made on Flight Club, Stadium Goods, and GOAT. By the way, most of the Yeezys were already shipped out, and if I'm not mistaken, one of them should be coming very soon, so I'm really excited about that. So we'll check back later. Hopefully we can do the unboxing today. Okay, perfect. So we got 5 of them that came in today. Let's see what these look like in hand. Oh my gosh. almost like it's not even real. They look so nice. These are slip-ons just like the 350s. If you did want to lace them up, however, it looks like they did come with extra laces. I think I like the look of this better personally than laces that you just have to tie up. These are going to be a very, very long hold. I'm not expecting to sell these anytime soon. Okay, tomorrow we have Supreme Week 2, and then the day after that we have Jordan 1s dropping. Might have to activate the cheat code again for that, but we'll see how I end up doing on the next episode.
This shit hot.